By default, your Office 365 email makes any replies that you make reply all as opposed to just reply. So obviously when you have an email where there are several other people mentioned, you hit reply and the default is reply all and everyone will get the message. Sometimes you need to change that. To do that, you can log into Office 365 through a web browser and go to your email and click on the gear icon in the top right. Because we have a brilliant search facility here, I can actually in that search type reply and the option will come up. But if you need to know where that is, you can actually go down to your app settings and mail, and down the left hand side you will see reply settings. And whether you go through the search or through this, it will bring you to this page, and to change your default response simply click that to reply and then hit save.